Greetings, fellow vendors. In today's video, we are going to be doing a restock and collection from my retirement apartment complex. As you saw, there was a few empty coils there. We're going to get this machine restocked. Get you squared away here. Yep, got it all mounted up. Now we're going to go ahead and get onto the stocking part. Diet Coke is up first with my patented knee split. Get those stocked up. I think somewhere in the past 20 years they changed the way these paddles are, the bottom of soda cans were designed, so if the sold out paddle gets into the gap at the bottom of the can, it doesn't fit right. So on the single columns, I turn the cans around. Hope everyone's having a good week. Hope everyone had a good, profitable weekend. We're gonna go ahead and doing all the numbers here. Sorry. Yep, now we're back to, had to update some numbers in my VendSoft app. Get the Diet Dr. Pepper loaded up. And I'm just throwing a couple extras on top in the reverse order. That way I know they don't belong in that column. Coca-Cola's up next. Didn't want to split there for a second. If you guys are looking to add credit card readers to your machines, Cantaloupe is a really good way to go. I use them for all of my machines, whether it's my full line machines, my claw machines. They do very well for me. I've had very little to no downtime on all those machines. If you're looking to add some, check out the links I have down in the description below to the Cantaloupe store. One is for the Cantaloupe ePort Engage, which you use on your full line machine. And then the G11 Pulse Kit, which you can use on your amusement machines. Use the code 720vending at checkout. It'll save you money. Not a bad way to do it. Everything's looking good. Mountain Dew is a slow seller, so I'm not too worried about it at this time. Gonna go ahead and grab the money bag, and we're gonna go ahead and collect the cash on this machine. On this machine, I have their ePort Engage combo. That way it goes over my bill validator. I didn't have to drill any new holes. Nice pile of change there. Good silver waterfall. Put a lucky red quarter in there I happen to have in my pocket from a machine I took off location. Machine did $75 for the week. 31 of that was in credit cards, so not really a bad week. Can't complain. Machine only takes $1 bills. Up next, we're gonna get onto the snack machine. There's where my big money maker really is. Nice. You got a few, about 4 or 5 empty coils there. You got 1, 2, 3, yeah, 5 empty coils. We're going to go ahead and get that restocked. Up first is the chips. Got to have the chips restocked. The residents love them. They go through them. This machine is 35 years old. It was built in 1992 according to the serial number. Still good, solid machine. Can get parts. 90% of the people who watch my channel are not subscribed, so please like, subscribe, share this video. Helps the algorithm all the time. We're gonna go ahead and get on to stocking this some more. Got the Fritos over there. Those always sell well. If anybody knows where I can get those in bulk without getting them in the 30 count variety pack, I would be much appreciated. Getting the chips done here. I'm gonna fill off this box of chips. That looked good for the week. Now we're getting these muffins stocked up. These muffins always sell well. I sell them for $1.75 a muffin. The residents love them. They've picked up on buying them even more. The residents always appreciate when I come in to stock the machine. They love buying from it. Up next is the Candy Rose. It's going to need some of the peanut butter crackers. It's going to need some Butterfingers. It's going to need Hershey's bars. It needs a lot this week. We're going to go ahead and get this restocked in here. The Hershey's bars, I stock these things all the way full. And they will burn through at least half of that row of 24 in a week, if not more. So somebody's really a chocolate fiend. Getting the numbers updated. Apparently I didn't have enough for a full 24 today. And we're going to get some more Three Musketeers bars in there. This is a few weeks old, so I update the numbers in my VenSoft app as I'm going along with the restock. What you do is I use the VenSoft app to track all of my sales, all of my business, everything. It helps life so much easier. If you're looking to find out more about that, there is a 14-day free trial down in the description. I use it for my whole business, including my claw machines. Now, these Nature's Bakery fig bars are popular as all other. I cannot keep them in stock. The residents will drain both columns in a week. Cannot complain about that. Other residents want to buy something out of the machine while I was stocking it, so more power to them. Now that those are all restocked, that tray's good to go. Got to grab out a few V8s I keep here in the bottom of the machine so I can restock the V8 line. Yes, I keep beverages in the machine. It tends to help. And they sell well. So we'll get the change out of there. Then we're going to go ahead and get on to the cash, which is everybody's favorite part. This machine did $103, $45.95 of that was in credit cards. It does now take $5 bills, so those are now coming up in the machine. I had to replace the bill validator, so give the residents more options to get beverages and snacks. For more vending related content, like and subscribe. Thank you all for watching.